Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who is Anshika Verma?
Ma'am Devansh Verma.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
But
Good morning,
ma'am,
ma'am.
my clock, it is showing correct 8:30.
Yes, in mine too. It's 8:30, dot 8:30. Okay, everybody, now let's start a new chapter today. That is, we've completed the previous one, the northeastern states. Yes?
Ma'am, answer is left.
No, nothing is left. You didn't attend the class.
Yes, ma'am, we have done.
Yes, we did it yesterday in the 6th period.
So, ma'am, we have to do, I think, ma'am, ma'am, in the chapter's name, there is desert. I
Yes.
have read that.
The northern plains and the desert region.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now we are going to study about the northern plains. Earlier, we studied about the northern mountains, the states that lie on the extreme north of India, isn't it? Then we came down to the northeastern states on the right hand side. Now
Ma'am,
today,
like Punjab, Haryana, Delhi.
we are going to study about the states that are lying where? Where do
Ma'am,
you-
in northern plains.
Yes, in the northern plains. Very good.
And ma'am, there is also Uttar Pradesh.
There is also, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Where do we live? We live in Uttar Pradesh, which
Uttar
lies
Pradesh.
in this region only, in the northern plains region. And where am I from? I am from Rajasthan, the desert state. Yes. So we have to study now about the states lying in this region. Okay. So who'll read? Who'll
Ma'am,
start
about
reading?
West,
Yes.
Ma'am,
ma'am, about West Bengal, there's so many paragraphs.
So yes.
I want to read.
Ma'am,
You
can
want-
I?
Yes. Who wants to read? Who is the first one to say? I want to read. Who wants to read?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I want to read.
Yes, start
I
reading.
also want to read.
Start reading. Everybody will read. Everyone will read. Everyone will read. Don't worry.
The northern plain and the desert region. Let's learn about cultural of the region, important cities of the northern plains, the states in the desert region. Key terms: North, uh, North Plains, Haryana, National Capital Region, Gujarat, West Bengal, Punjab, the Desert Region, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, mm, Banjara.
Banjaras. Banjaras.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Using an athlete.
Ma'am, I am late, so what we are doing?
Beta, we are on page number 88, the northern plains and the desert region. Open your books to page 88.
Ma'am, can you tell where we are, ma'am? Because for a second, my network just stopped.
Beta, we are on let's learn about and key terms. Now we have to read reflect.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So,
Reflect. Using an atlas, find out the names of the states through which these rivers flow.
Ma'am, I
Indus,
have an atlas. I will
Brahmaputra.
find it.
Let us learn about some of the states of northern plains. Punjab. Punjab is a state situated in the northwestern part of India. Chandigarh is the common capital of Punjab and Haryana. The word Punjab means a land of 5 rivers. The rivers Ravi, Jutledge, and Beans flow
Bias.
the sea. Chenab and mm, Jhelum are the other 2 rivers. The climate in Punjab is very cold in winter and hot and dry in summer. The soil is fertile and many crops such as wheat, rice, sugarcane and mustard grow here. Agriculture, dairy farming and poultry farming are important occupation of the people in Punjab. Some of the most delicious food items of Punjab are sarson ka saag with makki ki roti and paratha with white butter and lassi. Baisakhi and Lohri are the important festivals celebrated here. The important cities of Punjab and are
What
temple is situated in Amritsar. Most people living in Bhangra and Gidra are the famous dance that originated in Punjab. Bukhari is the traditional embroidery of Punjab.
Okay, that's all. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are these? I have shared this map to show you where the northern plains lie. Yes, are you seeing?
Ma'am,
Yes.
and the
But
half
there
Rajasthan
is
is
a
also a
desert
northern
too.
plain.
Yes, half of the Rajasthan is also the northern plains only. Rest of the Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat come under the desert region. Okay?
So, ma'am, you are from Rajasthan or Gujarat?
No, I'm from Rajasthan.
So, ma'am, I have visited Rajasthan.
Very nice. Very good. And we people are now from which state? The central
Ma'am,
most.
Uttar
Uttarakhand.
Pradesh.
So, no, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes.
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Children, for tomorrow, you have to be ready with two maps, two political maps of India.
Ma'am, political maps.
Yes, two political maps because the previous chapter is also remaining for the map work and of this chapter also. Tomorrow we are going to do the map
Yes,
for
ma'am.
both the states. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Positively, everyone has to be ready. Don't say, ma'am, I don't have the map.
Ma'am, is this physical map will work?
No, beta. How will you mark these states? Tell me. Are you going to draw them yourself? It
No,
is going
ma'am.
to be so confusing.
No, ma'am, the parts of the state has already written. I just have to write the names.
You have to bring political maps, two political maps of India. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, discussion over. Now, when we read about the state of Punjab, first of all, see the topmost state in the map is given Punjab only. On the screen, if you see, they have started the description from Punjab. So it is situated in the northwestern part of India that we can clearly see. Chandigarh is the common capital of Punjab and Haryana. Okay. The word Punjab means land of 5 rivers. Now we have very important 5 rivers flowing through this state. Which are those rivers? They are Ravi,
Ma'am,
Ravi,
Ravi,
Sutlej, Bees,
Ravi,
Chenab,
Sutlej,
Jhelum.
Nab,
Chahanam
and
and
Ma'am,
Jhelum.
ma'am,
yes, beta.
ma'am, but two is in Pakistan.
Chenab and Jhelum are the, yes, two are in Pakistan. Which two are in Pakistan?
Chenab
Ma'am,
and
Chahanam and
Jhelum.
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 Chenab and
Ma'am,
Jhelum.
Jhelum.
But they enter the state of Punjab. So these are big rivers that flow through the state of Punjab. The
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, the Chahanam and Jhelum originate from Pakistan and then it comes to Punjab.
Yes, beta, it must be like that only. But I'm sure the origin must be some mountains only.
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
Ma'am, do Pakistan have mountains?
of course, it has.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen the movie
Ma'am.
Jangi Bhaijan?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Part of Jammu Kashmir also lies in Pakistan.
To which country? Munni belong to which country?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I do not see
Delhi.
much in
Ma'am,
the
I have
movie.
seen.
Anmol?
Ma'am, I have seen.
Anmol, Munni was from Delhi. She got missing.
No, ma'am, I have seen.
Ma'am, Munni was from
she was in
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Ma'am, Pakistan. Ma'am,
And her
Pakistan. Ma'am, she belongs to the Pakistan.
Yes, she belonged to Pakistan.
belongs
Wait,
to the Pakistan.
wait. And when Salman Khan goes to leave her back, so where is Salman Khan? All over in the mountain regions? Yes, of Pakistan.
Yes,
So,
Yes, ma'am.
Pakistan.
No, ma'am, I have not seen much in the movies.
Much Hindi movies.
Not much of Salman Khan.
Not of, but this
Ma'am.
movie is not to be missed. You must have watched, or you
No.
must watch it now. Yes, how many of you liked this movie, children? No,
I've never watched.
no one liked this.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I like. No, ma'am.
Dhruv
Ma'am,
liked.
I like.
I like.
Yes.
Ma'am, I mostly like animated.
Okay, you like animated.
Ma'am, I like animated. Yeah.
But this is
I'm like Harry Potter and Disney movies.
I don't think Harry Potter is animated. Means some part effects are animated.
Harry Potter is whole animated.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you start from reading?
Wait,
Ma'am,
what?
I have
Ma'am.
Chandigarh and Punjab.
Very nice, very good. Yes,
Ma'am, I eat the Punjab dish makki ki roti and sarson ka saag.
wow,
No,
lovely.
ma'am.
Mouth what?
Ma'am, I have also visited Amritsar, Jaipur, Udaipur.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am,
And ma'am, I have also visited a famous restaurant in Udaipur or yes, ma'am, Udaipur. Sorry, ma'am, Amritsar.
What is it?
Ma'am, it was ma'am, please wait. I will ask my mother.
Okay, okay.
I think she remembered.
All right, all right. Then next, now he's going to ask his mother the name of the restaurant he visited. Okay. So now we have the climate. Okay, how is the climate in Punjab? It is very cold in winters.
Ma'am, it is cold in the winters and it is pleasant in the summers.
Yes, it is hot and dry in summers. Yes, then the soil is.
Ma'am, I have visited
Yes, ma'am, the restaurant's name was Kesar Dal Dhaba.
Kesar Da Dhaba.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how was the food?
Ma'am, very good. And ma'am,
Yes.
मैम वहाँ इतनी भीड़ हो रखी थी जैसे पूरे मॉल की आधी भीड़ तो उस एक अकेले रेस्टोरेंट में थी, इतने लोग थे वहाँ.
What is it famous for? It's tasty food.
मैम, it's food. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I also visit when the Allahabad. So, ma'am, I also eat the food on one dhaba. So, ma'am, that name is Apna Dhaba.
Apna Dhaba. Very nice. Okay, now coming back to Punjab. The soil is fertile and many crops grow. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, mustard. These kind of crops grow here.
Ma'am, what is mustard?
Mustard is sarson.
Oh.
because also there is a sauce.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I show you the snow mountains?
Beta, now snow mountains you should have shown in the northern mountains chapter. Yes. Then next line. Agriculture, dairy farming, poultry farming are important occupations of the people of Punjab. Some most delicious food items are sarson ka saag with makki ki roti, which I'm sure most of you must have eaten. Yes?
No, ma'am, I don't like saag and
Yes,
makke
ma'am,
ki
I
roti.
eat. Ma'am, this
Beta,
is
you
very
don't
Ma'am,
delicious.
I like
nothing, but you
making
have
roti, but I
eaten
don't like
everything.
saag.
You have tasted. You know what it is. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And
मैम जब मैं छोटा था तो मैं तो ना खाने की सूरत देख के ही बता देता था, मुझे खाना ही नहीं खाना.
okay. And paratha with white butter and lassi. So, is khane ki surat dekh ke what will Shirish say?
Ma'am, it is so
Delicious.
delicious.
Delicious. Okay. Then it's
Ma'am,
fine.
I don't like lassi. I have eaten.
You are eating paratha with white butter. Hmm?
No,
And
ma'am, I
ma'am-
have eaten. Ma'am, when I was small, like in second class.
Yes, ma'am, but
ma'am,
I have
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am, but I
eat
have
the
tried
makki ki roti and sarson ka
harira.
saag in one wedding.
Okay. very-
Ma'am,
I drink and eat these things, ma'am, but not together, ma'am. Ma'am, separately.
Huh,
Ma'am, I eat
separately.
this.
yes, ma'am, but yesterday I tried harira for the first time.
What
And
is
ma'am,
harira?
ma'am, it is just what to say.
What is harira? I have never heard this name.
Ma'am, you can search on Google.
No, what is it? I just want to know it is like main course kind of a food or it's a dessert.
No, ma'am,
Appetizer.
it's a kheer. Sorry, ma'am, it's a halwa type thing.
Harira.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll look for it. And what
Ma'am, it is going to be a dessert.
Yes, ma'am, but it has too many things in it.
like dry fruits?
Ma'am, dry fruits, coconut,
Okay.
many things.
Then I can't eat it. I will see its surat and I will say mujhe nahi khana.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, but I tried.
Okay. Yes, beta Harsh.
Ma'am, when I went to one wedding, so there was one dosa that is revolving. So ma'am, they named that dosa as revolving dosa.
Wow, this is interesting. Revolving dosa. Okay. Then the last line of Punjab of this page is Baisakhi and Lodi are important festivals celebrated here. Now all of us know
Yes, ma'am.
Lodi is
Yes, ma'am. In school also there has been some dances
yes.
related to Punjab.
Ma'am, Lohri is celebrated at the 13th January.
Yes, 13th of January. So we are approaching this festival of Lodi is approaching. Now,
Ma'am, and
And ma'am, in the dance,
in March.
and ma'am, in the dance they use a thing like, ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, it's like
it's like what I don't know what this tool is called, but it is their main
Ma'am,
prop.
they
Main prop of the dance.
ma'am on night they
yes, ma'am, but
fire.
yes, ma'am, we use
the-
it to yes, ma'am, we use it to play music.
Yes, yes, beta.
And
It's an
then
instrument.
they dance round of the fire.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, she is saying that the instrument name is tambourine.
No,
Tambourine.
ma'am.
No, it's
No,
not.
ma'am,
I don't know what it is.
No, ma'am, I said that no, ma'am, I was saying that instrument that they use in the dance is related to a instrument that is used to play that is used to play music.
Yes, it is used to play. It is used for some sounds. And they do different kinds of stunts in their dances. We all know that. Yes,
Yes,
different
ma'am.
kinds of stunts are performed. Okay, now children,
Excuse
enough
me,
of
ma'am.
talking. Enough of talking. Don't you think so? We are not being able to complete the state of Punjab only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then the important
Ma'am, we start reading Haryana, please.
beta, let me just finish the state of Punjab. This state is so interesting for all of you that you have so much to share about it. You people are finding so
Yes,
much
ma'am.
in the state. Okay. The important cities of Punjab are Ludhiana, Amritsar, Jalandhar. And the famous Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar. Most
Yes,
of
sir.
Or many of you must have been to the Golden Temple.
Yes, ma'am, I visited.
Yes.
Ma'am, in Amritsar, I have also visited.
Very
Ma'am, it is shown in the page number 88 in down.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's very far from here.
It's very far from here. Very true.
Yes, ma'am, but we
Almost.
visited Rajasthan with a train.
Okay. It almost takes 12 hours to reach Amritsar.
Yes, ma'am, a day. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, तभी हम ना रात को निकले थे और हम सुबह पहुंच गए थे.
Yes. Most of the people living in Punjab speak Punjabi. Bhangra, Gidda are the famous dances originated in Punjab, and Fulkari is the traditional embroidery of Punjab.
What is embroidery?
Embroidery is the work that is done on clothes, on cloth. It could be table mats, it could be any kind of fabric, bed sheets, cushion covers. That is embroidery. So Fulkari is one of the main embroideries or traditional embroideries of Punjab. Then Anmol, start reading the state of Haryana.
Haryana is a state in the north central region of India. The land here is flat and fertile. It has dry, hot climate in the summer season, and the winters are cold. Canals have been built to bring water from different rivers to Ag. Ma'am, what is it in there?
To bring waters from different rivers to irrigate.
Irrigate the land. The main crop
Ma'am,
grown
what's the
here
meaning of
are
irrigate?
Irrigation is better related to the water facilities to give into the field areas.
Yes, ma'am, like watering.
Yes, it is used for watering. Now, exact term for irrigation, I'll just tell you what it is. Better you can go on reading.
the main crops grown here are wheat, rice, and cotton. The state also produces sugarcane, mustard, seeds, corn, and potatoes. There are many important cities and towns in Haryana.
Okay, just wait.
Uh,
Just wait. Irrigation is the supply of water given to land or crops, typically by the means of channels. Like when they are directly linked to any rivers or any lakes and the water is supplied to these lands and crops, to the fields, it is known as irrigation. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mainly it is done for agricultural crops.
Ma'am, can you one more time tell in Hindi?
Beta, in Hindi, irrigation means सिंचाई. सिंचाई करना.
So, ma'am, हमें पाइप लगाते हैं रिवर में और उसके बाद उससे पानी निकाल के लैंड में डालते हैं.
हम पाइप नहीं लगाते, हम डायरेक्टली बड़ी बड़ी चीजें उससे लिंक करते हैं. लाइक यू कैन से पंप्स एंड ऑल आर linked to the rivers, and then water is taken out from there, which is directly sent to the agricultural lands. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
water pumps.
Ma'am, like 12.
Yes, like
12.
12.
No, tubewell.
Yes,
Tube well.
tube wells and all, tube wells, water pumps, hand pumps, these are directly linked to that. Okay, then next.
There are many important cities and towns in Haryana. Gurugram, which is an important industrial hub of India, is situated in this state. Other places of importance are Faridabad, an industrial town, Ambala and Karnal, Kurukshetra and Panipat are places of historical importance. And attract many tourists. The main occupation of the people in Haryana is agriculture. Other industries are farm, machine and tractor manufacturing. Cotton and sugar industries. Haryana is also famous for its dairy products.
Okay, now about
Yes, ma'am. One thing I am seeing that in Punjab side, tractors are very famous.
yes, they are, beta. They are because they are used in
Excuse me,
farming
ma'am.
and agricultural lands. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And they
what
have made
is
some
industrial hub?
Industrial hub means a house for
central
industries.
of the ma'am. The meaning of hub is under at the end of the page.
Yes, it is there, but hub means the house of something, the main area of something. Okay.
Yes, yes, ma'am. That's why they have made some festivals for tractors.
Yes. Pratyaksh, beta, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, when I was going to Punjab, ma'am, I also visited Ambala.
Yes, because it is a part of, it is a very important city of Punjab. Then,
And ma'am,
Ma'am,
I have seen two things that they do, and ma'am, that is backward racing and ma'am tug of war with tractors.
okay, very nice.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I not know the Panipat in the Haryana.
You don't know. Now, beta, you will know. See, you are studying here.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, before I not know.
Okay, before this, you did not know. Okay. So, which are the places of historical importance? They are Kurukshetra and Panipat. A lot of historical incidences have taken place in Panipat and Kurukshetra. When you will come in class 6, you will study a lot more about these two places. Panipat.
We will study in
Just wait.
history.
Then the other places of importance are in Haryana. The places of sorry, Faridabad, which is a very big industrial town, and Ambala and Karnal are also important cities over here. Then, if we go on to the top, this Haryana state is situated in the north central region of India. Can you see? Look up here on the map. It is what region?
Yes, ma'am.
It is somewhere centrally located in the northern region. The land here is flat and fertile. It has dry, hot climate in summer and winters are cold. Canals have been built to bring water from different rivers. Now see, how is irrigation facilities, how are they managed? By building canals. So canals have been built to bring water from the rivers to irrigate land, that is to water the land.
And
The main crops again here are wheat, rice, cotton. The state also produces sugarcane, mustard seeds, corns, and potatoes. Yes. So this is all about the state of Haryana, and there are a lot of industries over here. Other industries are farm machines, tractor manufacturing, cotton, sugar industries, and it is also famous for its dairy products. Then coming on to Delhi, Pratyaksh.
ma'am, can I?
Delhi, the National Capital Territory (NCT) of Delhi is bound by Haryana in the north, west, and south, and Uttar Pradesh in the west. Sorry, ma'am, Uttar Pradesh in the east. New Delhi is the national capital of India. It is located in north central India. It is a part of the National Capital Region (NCR), which also comprises some parts of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Delhi is both a union territory and a state. It is governed by a
Lieutenant.
lieutenant governor who is assisted by a chief minister. The president and the prime minister of India reside in cabinet of ministers meet in the parliament house or Sansad Bhavan.
Ma'am, he
I
has
think
not
he
read
is
one
left
line.
one line.
Ma'am, he has not read one line.
Better just read out
Yes.
that line.
In New Delhi. Reside in New Delhi.
Pratyak,
Ma'am, that is Rashtrapati Bhavan line is not rated.
the president lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. New Delhi. The president lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The prime minister and his cabinet of ministers meet in the Parliament House or Sansad Bhavan.
Okay. Now, Delhi,
There are
we all know that it is the national capital territory of India, right? It is the capital of India. And it is bound by Haryana in the north, west and south, and Uttar Pradesh in the east. So what do you mean it is bound by? See, on one side of Delhi, we have Haryana, and on the other side, we have Uttar Pradesh. So that is, it is closed by. It is surrounded by, or it is bound by Haryana on that side and Uttar Pradesh on the eastern side. Then it is located in the north central part of India. Again, like Haryana, it is the north central part of India. It also comprises of some parts of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Now, this region has a few parts of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. That is why Noida, Gurgaon, this Gurugram and all, they are known as NCRs. Yes? They
Yes,
are
ma'am. And
capital regions. They come under,
ma'am, a Greater Noida also.
yes, Greater Noida. Delhi is a union territory and a state. It is both. It is governed by a lieutenant governor who is assisted directly by the chief minister. Now, who looks after all the matters of it? The lieutenant governor.
chief
And
minister.
lieutenant governor is assisted by the chief minister. The president and the prime minister reside in New Delhi. Their official homes are in New Delhi. The president lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The prime minister and his cabinet of ministers meet in the parliament house or the Sansad Bhavan. So whenever they have to do any meeting, where do they meet? They meet in the parliament house or in the
Or Sansad Bhavan.
yes. Then okay,
There are
wait.
many. Okay, ma'am.
Acha, wait. On the previous page, we left out this line about Punjab. The state animal of Punjab is the black buck, and the state bird is goshawk. It's goshawk, and the
Ma'am,
state
where is it?
in the Factpedia.
Oh,
The state animal of Punjab is the black buck, and the state bird is goshawk. Then, continuing the state of Delhi, Pratyaksh read.
There are many important offices in and around Delhi. A large number of people from the other state of India comes to Delhi to live and work. Many monuments in Delhi attract tourists from all over the world. Some of these important historical places are the Red Fort, India Gate, Qutub Minar, Humayun
Humayun's
Tomb,
tomb,
Mayutom.
Rajghat.
Rajghat, Jantar Mantar, Jama Masjid, and the
Akshardham temple.
Aksharadham,
Akshardham.
Aksharadham
Ma'am,
temple.
there are two Jantar Mantar.
Two Jantar Mantar means what?
Ma'am, there is a Jantar Mantar in Rajasthan also. There is a Jantar Mantar in Punjab also.
Yes, beta, go. Who is asking? Jantar Mantar is in Delhi only, beta.
No, ma'am, so ma'am, I have visited Jantar Mantar in Rajasthan also.
Okay, you have visited Jantar Mantar in Rajasthan.
Yes, ma'am.
No, beta, it's not Jantar Mantar in Rajasthan. Let me just find out what you are saying.
Ma'am, I have gone to Rock Garden.
That is in Chandigarh.
Yes, ma'am. Delhi experiences an extreme climate which is very hot in summers and cold in winter. Wheat and many vegetables are grown here. Hindi is the most popular language spoken in Delhi.
Ma'am, they should have also written it is the most polluted. Say it is the most polluted
Yes,
city in India.
Shirsh, you are saying it right, beta. There is one Jantar Mantar in Jaipur also.
Yes, ma'am, I knew it.
Yes.
And ma'am,
Yes.
Akshardham temple is in Gujarat also.
Yes, it is there in Gujarat also. Very good. So now here, there are a lot of places of historical importance here in Delhi. Which are those places? You must know at least 4 places, which are Jantar Mantar, Akshardham Temple, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, India Gate, Qutub Minar, Rajghat, Humayun's tomb. A lot of historical incidences have taken place in these places. So we must know all these places. Then,
Ma'am?
yes,
Ma'am, why Chalini ma'am is saying join in children?
join in. No, you must.
And ma'am,
join
they
by
have all
9, 10.
ma'am and ma'am, they should have also written it is the most polluted.
Sorry, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The most polluted and the most populated also, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Delhi experiences an extreme climate, which is hot in summers and cold in winters. Wheat and many vegetables grow here. Hindi is a popular language spoken in Delhi. Yes, mainly if we go to places, people speak in Hindi only. They talk to us in Hindi. And if you go to South India, how many of you have been to South India?
Mm,
There people speak English. Mostly people speak English over there. The auto walas, the shopkeepers, the vendors on the street and all, they don't talk.
yes, ma'am, I have to visit there. Ma'am, because here, क्योंकि मैम यहाँ जब दुकान वाले बोलते हैं ना इतने रुपए वो है, मैं उनसे बोलता हूँ अंकल इंग्लिश में बताना क्या होता है ये?
Yes, because you don't know the counting in Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So no problem. This is all for today. We have done 3 states, Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. Tomorrow we are
And
going.
in the next class, I will read Uttar Pradesh.
Do we have another class today? We don't have
Let
any
me see.
class, beta.
Ma'am, I have. Yes, we have.
No, we don't have. Today is Friday. We don't have any other class.
Okay, ma'am. Let me check it.
Yes, beta, you may check it.
It is Friday?
Yes, today is Friday.
No, ma'am. No extra class. No, ma'am. There's no class.
There's no class. So this is all for today. You can go and join your next class now, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Excuse me. Bye.
Ma'am, all are leaving.
Yes, beta, I have told all to leave. Now it's time for your next class.